stupid Russian! I burned down the whole freaking village. So freaking pee off right now. I'm gonna just pee off a Pikachu right now. Here, Zoro was killed with a Russian fire. I'm evolved now, and I'll take my father's place. I will chill him. So that douchey man. Sit here, go kill a douchey man with me. I'll sit here and watch over the shoes. Pichu? Pichu? Rancher. Let's go. My leg just broke almost. Ah, my arm. That's better now. Okay, so choose. What do you want for breakfast? Mice, mice. How could you eat mice when you are mice? A very small type mice. Oh, okay. I'll go find some. Here you go. Here's lots of Gyarados.